A fringe benefit left over by the sport.
Fringe benefits?
A couple of months. Fringe benefit.
She pays the mortgage, you get the fringe benefits.
Work stinks, but the fringe benefits are...
Well, I don't know. Call it a fringe benefit.
Sometimes it has its fringe benefits sometimes.
I'm another board with fringe benefits. Remember, fringe benefits.
Trade without all the fringe benefits.
English Idiom Challenge. What does fringe benefits mean? Correct answer is extra advantages or perks received in addition to salary. Fringe benefits refer to the extra perks or advantages an employee receives in addition to their regular pay, such as health insurance, company car, or paid vacations. Examples: the job doesn't pay much, but the fringe benefits include free meals and gym membership. He chose the position because of the excellent fringe benefits like medical coverage and bonuses. Like and subscribe for more idioms.